Good news, guys. You can now use Grok AI for free. This is not me trying to make you to watch this video to the end. This is me telling you that it was after I used this particular method that I want to share with you now. Legal. This is not illegal way of using Grok. It is very legal. After I use it to create this video that you are just seeing now, I quickly have to put on my camera to record this video and share the good news with the entire creators. This is good news for a faceless channel, AI content creation, or you're using AI tool in one way or the other. You can still use Grok AI. Here is how you can do it. Remember, Grok has the highest and the premium video qualities and image qualities, and the speed in which you generate all of these things are top notch. So let me take you through and show you how you can use Grok. But this is a disclaimer. You need to fix this before we start this tutorial. Now, if you don't have X account, like Twitter, X account, please, this is a night time. This is an high time for you to do that. No, depending on your location, X is in level. So if you're in Africa, you know I will show you the cost. This is what you have to pay for you to start using the premium version. If you can use the premium version of X, then you are liable to use Grok AI for free. Remember, other platform pays even more than this. And now if you look at the initial payment is for you to pay how much is here. Now look at you using X premium. Look at how much you are paying. Are you seeing the difference? It means that you can start using X. And if you have an X account, this is a golden opportunity. Go and subscribe to X Premium and start using Grok AI at the lowest price. Lowest. So let me show you how you can do this, guys, without much ado, because my body is so hot. I want to show you guys how you can fix it. Sorry, I have to use this method just to show you this because it's not actually capturing everything, probably because of security purpose. I have no idea. So I hope this is clear enough, right? So once you log into your X account, okay, I have to improvise means to show you guys this, okay? So once you sign into your account, this is my account, right? You see where we have Grok here, all right? Now here you can use Grok, but if you're using your mobile phone, you are going to see, I don't know why it's not permitting me to show you using mobile phone. You're going to see something like this, all right? Now if you can see create image here, right? Yes, you can create image, but it's not going to be as efficient as the one in your mobile phone. All right. So to cut the long story short, once you create your X account and you're subscribed to Premium, the next thing is for you to go and install your Grok AI, whether it's from Play Store or from X directly. Do you understand? It works. But here is a part I want you to pay close attention to, because it is not about you installing the app into your phone. It is how you sign in into that app that is going to give you the permission to use Grok AI for free. Guys, please pay attention to this part. All right. So once you open your Grok AI, you're going to see an interface like this that is going to tell you continue with your Google, continue with email, X, continue with X. All right. Go ahead and click this. Don't continue with any other thing except that X, continue with X. Once you continue with X, it will require that you give that you now you are not authorizing X, to permit Grok to be used, by you because you are a premium user. Go ahead and use it. Once you open it up, it's going to take you to an interface like this that you will start creating your videos. Beautiful, guys. Now let's animate one just for the purpose of this tutorial, so you get to see that this is not just fairy tale, it works. This is what I did this morning and I was so surprised. So this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. It's going to be very short and brief. You see, it's not long. So you see, I am going to animate this and you see how it's going to respond. That pop-up that says you have to subscribe to Super Grok is not appearing anymore. Remember how much I paid. It's not as compared to the how much I was to pay using that Super Grok. So you can go ahead and subscribe to X and start using Grok for free. That is you using Grok for free. Then you can also use the alternative method, where you have to use other apps. You see, it's animated, where you have to use other AI apps. But remember, it's not going to give you accuracy as compared to, you see, everything is working. You can upscale, you can do anything. So everything is working perfectly well. So this is me telling you that, Grok AI can still be used, especially if you have X account and you can subscribe to X and start using Choose any of the plans that you saw in this video. Yes, choose any of the plans that is suitable for you and start using Grok. Make sure it is the premium or premium plus. Premium plus gives you access to super Grok. Premium gives you access to Grok entirely. So subscribe to the one you can do and start using Grok for your next content. Don't give excuse that you don't want to use
You can still
Grok.
use Grok
Grok is all
AI.
made easy. Remember, other apps are more expensive than these. See you.
You can still use Grok AI.
Yeah, 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 yeah.